Okay, and as for the interior, it is a non-smoker. I did notice that the leather kind of separated from the plastic here. That's right underneath the seatbelt there. And then the bolster has a little bit of wear here, but we have a small scratch here and a little bit of chrome has peeled off of the button. But that's all I'm seeing inside. Everything else looks really, really nice. Okay, and for the last part of the video is a quick visual condition report. Here on the back left side on the very bottom, there is a small scuff. Little impression, I would say, in the plastic. And then here on the driver door, we have a really light scratch here and here. But they're very, very minor. I cannot catch them with my nail. And then here on the top, this is a matte black wrap, but you do have a really light scratch across it. I don't think it went through the wrap, it's just kind of a surface scuff there. And then we do have a couple little rock chips here on the front bumper. And then the edge of the splitter here on the plastic has a little scuff there, here, and a couple there. So that looks about it. So if you have any other questions, give us a shout at Exotic Motorsports of Oklahoma, and I'll put the link down in the description. Thanks guys, and have a good one.